And now shifting focus to what's happening in the political arena in West Bengal. Amit Shah sounds poll bugle in West Bengal. Meanwhile, TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee slams Home Minister Amit Shah. He says border won't exist if BJP comes to power. Amit Shah is incompetent Home Minister in centre. This is what Abhishek Banerjee is saying. He's saying that if the BJP comes to power in West Bengal, the border won't exist. And he's also calling Amit Shah incompetent. He's saying that why is Amit Shah blaming Mamata Banerjee? Has the party issued a show cause notice to Anant Maharaj and Jagannath Babu? If there is anyone who is the most incompetent Home Minister in the country, it is Amit Shah. That is the attack from TMC's Abhishek Banerjee against Home Minister Amit Shah. Remember, Amit Shah was in West Bengal yesterday and he made scathing attack against the ruling TMC government, saying that terror networks exist in West Bengal, and he also spoke about the rising infiltration in the state. And now TMC has also hit back with Abhishek Banerjee saying that if BJP comes to power in West Bengal, the border won't even exist. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is on a 3-day visit to West Bengal to kickstart BJP's poll campaign for the 2026 Assembly elections. And he stirred a hornet's nest accusing the Mamata Banerjee government of facilitating infiltration of Bangladeshis to Bengal that he insisted had dangerously altered the demography of the state. Mamata Banerjee hit back, accusing the BJP of turning the special intensive revision exercise into a scam, which she insisted was being conducted using artificial intelligence. We get you more in this report on the Battle of Bengal. Take a look.
आपकी निगहबानी में घुसपैठ कराई जाती है और बंगाल को धीरे धीरे डेमोग्राफी चेंज कर आप आपकी वोट बैंक को पुख्ता करनी चाहते हैं।
Home Minister Amit Shah, sounding the poll bugle in Bengal, launched a direct and scathing attack on the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and her government. At the center of this political slugfest is infiltration and vote bank politics.
गुजरात और राजस्थान की बॉर्डर पर घुसपैठ क्यों नहीं होती है? पंजाब की बॉर्डर पर घुसपैठ क्यों नहीं होती है? कश्मीर की बॉर्डर पर घुसपैठ क्यों नहीं होती है?
Shah alleged that TMC government is deliberately not providing land for border fencing along the Bangladesh border.
कौन सी सरकार है बांग्लादेश की पूरी सीमा पर जो वाड़बंदी करने के लिए, बॉर्डर पर फेंसिंग करने के लिए जमीन नहीं देती है? अगर आप जवाब न दे पाए तो मैं ही देता हूं। आपकी ही सरकार है जो जमीन नहीं देती है, जिसके कारण फेंसिंग का काम समाप्त नहीं हुआ।
The BJP has made it clear, if voted to power, identifying and expelling infiltrators will be a top priority.
एक ऐसी मजबूत राष्ट्रीय ग्रिड बनाएंगे जो बंगाल से घुसपैठ को समाप्त कर देंगी। इंसान छोड़ दीजिए, परिंदा भी पैर नहीं मार पाए, इस प्रकार की एक मजबूत ग्रिड की रचना हम करेंगे।
But the Chief Minister has hit back, questioning the centre's narratives on infiltration, throwing the spotlight back on national security failures.
বাংলায় শুধু অনুপ্রবেশকারী, কাশ্মীরে নাকি নেই। তাই যদি সত্যি হয় বন্ধু, একটা কথার উত্তর চাই। পহেলগাঁও তাহলে কি আপনারা করলেন? দিল্লিতে কিছুদিন আগে যে ঘটনা ঘটে গেল, সেকেন্ড পেজ খুললে
Mamata Banerjee countered, saying border security lies with central forces, not the state.
সারা জীবন বলেন বিএসএফ কার হাতে? অনেক জমি তোমায় দিয়েছি, কিন্তু তুমি করতে পারোনি।
The TMC chief also claimed that Bengalis are being harassed across the Bengal.
আজকে নাকি বলেছেন দুঃশাসন বাবুদার দুই চোখে, এক চোখে দুর্যোধন আর এক চোখে দুঃশাসন। বলেছেন 2/3 পাবো।
The poll pitch is set in Bengal, with the Saffron Party setting the target of 2/3 majority and infiltration as the core election flashpoint. The political battle in West Bengal is heating up. With Jitendra Bahadur and Inderjeet Kundu, Bureau Report, India Today.